Morning. I said I'd give you a brief overview of some other currencies, and this is what I'm doing. Now, I know we're short of dollar CAD, and we're short at dollar CAD. Just let's pull this up here for you all to see. We're short dollar CAD basically where we are now. Okay, we're up to 133.28. We really have to take out this to actually make dollar CAD look anything like strong. So I still am a believer in the loonie going lower. As we know, it is a loonie, and it's going up with oil, and we're long of oil, but we're short of dollar CAD. Now this should be the way to be, but you know what the loonie's like. It is what it is. However, we didn't close on the highs. We closed higher on the session yesterday, but we didn't close at the highs. So we still have a very good chance of us coming down here. If I can just put on these fibs for you. So I'll take you offline when I do this. We are in that bit of an up channel, but I think we're going to hit a bundle, to be fair, today. And you know what we do, we take a position on Tuesday and we run it, right? So we know that if it goes above here, we're out of any long short positions. I've got a good feeling that we're going to come down and we're going to have a little snifter at 132.35, 131.99, this little bit here. Okay, I wouldn't expect it to break below there at the moment, but I do think that there's a good possibility that we can come back down to within this band. Right, on to something else. Now we're taking a look at dollar yen. If you can see that if I draw, which I do, draw that little trend line, and we're going to take it from here to here. Okay, now that is where dollar, oh, let me draw that a little bit better. It's very difficult when you're videoing to get it exactly right, but I wanted you to see. Okay, so we have that line, and we can see that today that line is at 14.07. Now at the moment we're trading 13.84, so there is a good chance that the market can go higher. But you've got to remember something, right? Dollar yen is a risk on, risk off, and you might as well trade the S&P because that's what it follows. Okay, stock markets go up, dollar yen goes up. Stock markets go down, dollar yen goes down. That's the way it's always been. I don't know why. It's just one of those things. So I think that if you're going to trade the outright dollar yen, 14.07 towards that area is going to be where we would like to sell. Do I think the stock markets go higher? I do, but I do think they need a correction first. So good luck with that one, and we'll take a look. And you can draw these wedges in. I mean, if you look, dollar yen's come from back in 2016. If we just take a quick look at the weekly, you can see we've come from quite high levels. There's my little head and shoulder top. No one told me was with a target of 108. You can see it went up under 100. Okay, so dollar yen, I think, is a sell up at that 114.07 area, and I think we come back towards here. Now this is why we are leaving the order in to sell dollar Swiss. Yes, we're pointing higher, I can see that, but chart patterns take precedence over most things. And if you look at the way this has come down, it's going up with consecutive higher highs, higher lows, We have not broken above the 21-day moving average. Okay, so unless we do, and that is at 100.16, unless we do make the effort above there, we still want to be short dollar Swiss. Where do I think we come down to? I think we can come down to 99.03. So that's my view on those major currencies at the moment. Okay, I'll do the Aussie in a bit.